very excited to get out there with my good friend Barn over there. He is our tuk-tuk driver for the day. And we'll touch base soon.
If you want to put something beautiful on top of
Making delicious whiskey. Thing. That, and then go ahead and... Today we're going to be showcasing a peppermint gin fizz. Alright, so we got some rat here. Actually, the meat seems pretty good. Alright, going in for the rat. It's like chicken. It is like chicken. That's actually pretty good. Oh, it's really good. I like it. Yum yum. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, alright, so win. There's a little spice in there too. Oh, yeah, they put a spice. You don't eat the head, I'm assuming. No. Yeah, look at that head. That's good. That's really tasty.